I saw my ex-girlfriend at the salon, and I paid their running bill, since I didn't have a gift for her at Christmas. Before all that happened, I saw her sister's Facebook story, so I asked where they were going. After we chatted with her sister, I immediately went to where they were at that time. Since I don't know the way to get there, I just use a map. I drove really fast because they might finish coloring their hair. And they might see me.
Nakarating ka na sa iyong destinasyon.
So karon guys, na nato diri sa Dunaya Hair Salon. At namita lang og tiyempo sa tumaagya na kay murag ang ilang cashier mo maato sa tumoy nga basin makita ko. So nato ko magbayad. Ano din kanya akong gift niya before maghuman ng New Year. Ay before mag New Year, mao gid ang dapat ang ikuan saya. So naunhan man ko para to trexway.
I went in right away and I disguised myself so they wouldn't recognize me. There was a big mirror in front of them, so I didn't really look, so they wouldn't see me.
Kasi de bayad ako ito. Bayad ka na? Bayaran ako ng duha galis. Ay, sabi ko. Ay, hindi mo iyan. Subotis. Ex-girlfriend. Ex-girlfriend.
Talaga, Charmaine, pa?
Sila ka nandun. Ex-girlfriend. Abing!
Kira na yung gapawitan niya. Ha? Okay na, gapawitan niya.
Ay, sabi.
Successful. They didn't see me. After I paid, I left immediately because they might see me. I would like to go in again to see her, but I thought not to do it, so she wouldn't be embarrassed.
Saman?
Bayaran dali.
Boyod mo, boyod. Taka mo ka?
Ayo, ingon dali ay sundo ng sa Eldo.
Gumoro, uy, taka ram ka. Nakoy mo later. No, nawag mong gawin ka na. Lang later. Bye-bye, amping mo sa pag-uli ha. Amping mo sa pag-uli.